Hello, everyone. All right, let's get into it. So I got them over the Black Friday weekend for 170 euros with the discounts, which was a pretty fair price. So these are the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. There you have them right here. You have the charging light right here, the USB-C power plug. I believe this button right here is to do maybe the Bluetooth detection. I'll have to read the manual. I haven't actually done any kind of proper research on these. I've mainly bought them because I lost my Sony MX5 CAN headsets, unfortunately. And I really wanted to make the most and going forward with Galaxy AI. So this was one of the reasons why I got this model with the integration with my S24 Ultra. So let's have a quick tour on. So one of the things that I saw in the Samsung ad, is that these headsets right here, they have a light along this side, and this light can it has three modes. The first mode it will have is a breathing light. Let's say they have a continuous light on, and then it will have one where it will be pulsing a bit faster than the breathing one. And this is good to know, for example, if you're in a call or you're listening to music, the light pattern will be different. And even if you're outside in the dark, well, this light can kind of show people that you're around, and just to be safe. So yeah, overall, the quality looks really good. Has a really nice finish to it. I got the silver or the gray version. I believe they also exist in white. Of course, it's all plastic. It's just an imitation, but from what I can see, it's pretty decent. It's pretty good. The box itself is very nice to the touch. It has this kind of aluminum metallic finish to it. And let's see, just putting this back. Well, it's not very easy just to looking at through the camera, but yeah, it's very straightforward. Goes in. There you have it right there. And plastic cover. Now, obviously, this is going to, if I drop this, well, then this is going to be getting scratched very easily. So I've bought these right here, the Spigen Galaxy Buds 3 Pro Urban Fit. They look really amazing. So check out my next video on how this looks on these. So let's have a quick tour of the box just to see what's inside it. So then you have this pouch, and in it you have your charging cable. Okay, I believe there's something inside them right here. There you go. These are the earbuds. Now, these have, obviously, as a lot of you might already know because you're looking at this video, because I'm sure you have already researched this a bit, these have noise canceling feature in them. So for once, I think I will be looking at these. I just generally, always when I buy these types of headsets, I just kind of, just go with the default, I would say, tips here that come with them. I rarely kind of try to figure out like if this is the best fit or if I'll get a better one. But with these, I'm definitely going to be trying out the different versions. I think these are the ear tips. I think so. Yeah, that's what they are exactly right here. So you've got some different sizes. So do check these out when you get yours, because you really want to have a nice seal in your ear with the buds so that the noise canceling just works better. Then you have the warranty card and the booklet that no one reads, so which is great. And I think that's about it. So this was a quick unboxing, and I will be just reviewing these shortly after, once I'll be using these with my S24 Ultra. and see how mainly the Galaxy AI feature works in terms of voice translation. This is like one of the main things that I have bought them for. So there you have it. So really a very quick overview. These are the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, gray finish. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one with the cover.